Okay, this is a 2007 Santa Fe Limited, and the struts on the hood for the car are shot. They're pretty easy to fix. They cost about $20 for two of them on Amazon. Basically, there's little clips here that you take off. One that should come off now, and then this other one, the same thing. A little awkward, the location, but you can get it. There you go, that's off. And then you just put the other one on there. Start from the bottom, I guess. These are good because you don't have to do anything. You just snap them in and they work. See, that was easy. This one just goes on the same way. One thing, the hood is very hot right now. That's it. That's all you got to do. Do it on both sides and you're set. Simple, 5 minutes. These are the instructions you get with the hood struts. I got these off Amazon, 2 for $20, and they give you decent instructions if you need it. You really don't need the instructions, but there it is.